Lightning is one of the coolest spectacles the atmosphere can bring, but it can also be one of the deadliest. There are 8 million lightning strikes around the globe each day, with nearly all of those strikes coming from thunderstorms. However, not all lightning strikes are created by thunderstorms. They can be created by wildfires and even volcanic eruptions. Lightning forms when a charge develops as particles collide together within a cloud, while warm air rises and cold air sinks. Charges from these particles, typically made of ice and water, connect together to create a charge, which will connect with opposite charges on the ground. This forms lightning. This concept of opposing charges is similar to a plasma ball, where your hand acts as an easy route to the ground. The opposing charge draws in that electrical current. This is a form of static electricity, just like lightning. Lightning strikes can happen inside the cloud or outside the cloud, into the air, or connected with the ground. Of course, the greatest threat to personal safety is cloud-to-ground lightning, so it's important to remember when thunder roars, go indoors, because lightning can strike anytime after a thunderstorm has formed. The best place to be in a thunderstorm, of course, is inside a house or nearby building. You can also be safe from lightning inside a vehicle because the metal on the outside of your car can shield you. This is known as a Faraday cage, in which an enclosure blocks an electric field. Remember during a thunderstorm not to use any plumbing or electrical appliances that are plugged into a wall during a thunderstorm, as you could be struck indirectly if lightning strikes nearby. If you find yourself in an open field without any close shelter nearby, it is important to crouch down with your head close to the ground to avoid being the tallest object and also avoid getting serious injury or worse from a lightning strike. The most common type of lightning strike is a negative lightning strike, which starts from the bottom of the thunderstorm as a negative charge and then connects with the ground, which is positively charged. A positive strike in the opposite scenario is not as common, but much more powerful. Since lightning tends to find the easiest route to the ground, it will frequently strike tall objects such as radio towers or skyscrapers, which are often struck the most. Water is also a good conductor of electricity, so it is best to avoid swimming or boating near an electrical storm. After a strike, thunder will form as air expands from the strike. The sound travels an average of 15 miles, but since light is faster than sound, the sound takes longer to get to your ear than the light does to get to your eyes. The air may even smell a bit different after a lightning strike. That's because lightning creates ozone. This happens after lightning splits oxygen molecules by the heat of the lightning strike, which is hotter than the surface of the sun. Lightning strikes are, of course, electrically powerful, and if harnessed, could power a light bulb for 3 months straight. On planet Earth, the continent that experiences the most lightning is Africa, but the country that experiences the most lightning is Venezuela. However, the US doesn't see the most lightning in the world, but we've seen one of the longest strikes ever, over 200 miles in Oklahoma. Although lightning is a brilliant spectacle, it is also dangerous, and its unpredictability still puzzles scientists till this day. Even though we've learned much about lightning over the years, there are still some forms of lightning that are a complete mystery, such as ball lightning, which is so rare that only a handful of people have experienced it, and scientists still don't know how it forms. The next time you see a thunderstorm, remember to stay safe, stay inside, and watch one of nature's coolest spectacles from the safety of the indoors. Now that you've watched this video, you are ready to take our lightning quiz. Thanks for watching.